Hi, I'm Katie Sadler. I'm one of the lighting designers here at Poole Lighting. We were looking for a company that could do the job all in one go, and it's also really handy that Commercial Washrooms were actually just down the road from us. So at the beginning, Commercial Washrooms decided on the layout and then gave some advice on some of the hardware. And then it was down to us to then choose the colour palettes and the smaller details like the lighting, the switches, the hand dryers, and we also added in some extra wood panelling as well. The disruption was definitely kept to a minimum, no problems at all there. Really pleased with how it's all come together. All the colours, all the finishing, it's all come together really nicely, and also the shower room looks great. Yeah, definitely would recommend Commercial Washrooms. The whole process went really smoothly and the communication was brilliant.